These are New Balance Fresh Foam Roav running shoes. Getting new shoes was always an event when I was a little kid, so always happy when new shoes are around. Let's get the close-ups out of the way. I like the style of the shoe and the fact that it comes in, I think, 27 different color combinations. Close-up of the outer shoe, close-up of the rear, front-facing view, overhead view, and that's what the sole of the shoe looks like. I like the feel of this foam that they're using. It's going to give good shock absorption. I also like the artistic license that they took with the back of the shoe. It gives it an interesting and different look. New Balance says truly unique, ultimate in casual athletic style, a bold, attractive look. I actually have to agree with them on that. I think that it is a very, very modern, future-looking shoe. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm old, but it's a futuristic style to me. Ndurance rubber outsole technology, if I am pronouncing Ndurance right, provides superior durability in high wear areas. I guess all we've got left to do is try them on. My first impression is that they feel more like slippers. Yeah, that is really good. Have to go for the mandatory close-up on the shoes. They feel excellent. I mean, they're just really lightweight and really comfortable. Extremely lightweight. Now that I've tried them on, I can tell you that this New Balance Fresh Foam is a heck of a shoe. It's extremely comfortable. It's extremely lightweight. I am really glad that I got it, and I am really happy that I was able to show it to you guys in this video today. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to have a great day. Don't forget to have a great life.